What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. So I got a little bit of a project going on right over there, but I can't quite show you guys that. That will be in the next video. But in today's video, we are taking the car out and having a little fun. We got the ST here, the RS over there, and we're gonna go on a mountain run, kind of a last run, a last hurrah for the RS, and hopefully we should have some fun. The car's stock, but it's still plenty of fun, so let's get it. What the fuck? Alright, change of plans. We got a Fiesta that showed up as well. Alright, so I told you guys that I needed a GoPro. Now I can look absolutely ridiculous when I'm driving, and I'm kind of okay with it. I kind of miss it, but let's get going on this mountain run. Let's go to the GoPro. Well, what the fuck? So I have no idea what the fuck just happened, but as you guys saw, I shifted into gear and that shit just said nope. And check engine light, come on. Said engine failure. We're still gonna send it. Let's hit this mountain run. seem to have lost one. Let's go see what's up. Alright, so the Fiesta couldn't make it back. His girl was getting hella car sick, so just couldn't do it. So even though the car is stock, I'm still having a ton of fun with it. This is probably literally my final drive in the car. It's kind of a bittersweet moment, to be honest, but it is what it is. I've learned so much in this car, and that's gonna be for another video. Definitely loving this car though. I literally probably have less than a week left with the car. The car is 100% sold. I'm happy it's sold, but at the same time I'm sad. It's what grew the channel. I'm sure the channel's nowhere near where it used to be, but it'll get there again, especially after I get the next car and start pumping out some content. I do have a few cars in mind, and I'm excited to announce it to you guys when the time's right. So I just noticed we do have a check engine light again. I don't know what's up, but kind of bums me out because I won't be able to push the car right now how I'd like to. This is supposed to be the last hurrah for the RS, but looks like we might have to do maybe one more after we get everything sorted out. And this is the spot. Let me pull over real quick. or so now. It wasn't a great idea to go when it was 60 degrees. So this, I don't know if you can see it, but my check engine light is still on. Hopefully that goes away by itself. Otherwise, that is no good. So for this video, I was actually trying to get a bunch of people in the RS and ST community to come on this exact run with me. Unfortunately, everybody is busy except for a couple of us. So
in 5 miles, turn left onto West Bullard Avenue.
We're just gonna have to make do and make this our final hurrah with the RS, our final drive, guys. This is probably going to be the second to last video made with the RS, if not the last, or one of the last. Anyhow, I'm trying to process on what videos I'll be making with the RS before it goes. This is the last drive for sure. I definitely want to get into how I got into the car scene and how much I've learned with the RS. That's going to be a separate video. I've debated including it in this video while I was driving, but I was just having too much damn fun driving, of course. And probably I'll have to do a final goodbye video with the car. Final little pull in the RS. Go green. Alright guys, so that is going to complete today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I pushed the car as hard as I possibly could. I shouldn't say as hard as I could, but as hard as I should have. I do have a check engine light. I have no idea what it's for. I don't have a scanner to check it. I have no more access port, obviously. Everything on the car is sold. The car is no longer tuned. It held its own. I mean, definitely impressive. I wish I had better tires and I would have been able to push it a little harder. Actually, I take that back. I shouldn't have pushed it as hard as I did, actually, because there is a check engine light and who knows what it's for. Anyhow, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you have, smash that thumbs up button, drop a comment in the comment section below. Wish farewell to the RS, because this is most likely going to be one of the final videos that you will see of the RS. And of course guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. Until next time, I'm out. Yeah, boy.